Hello everyone, happy Friday. It's the freaking weekend. This weekend I'm planning on doing a weekend in my life just to show you all what life is like in New York for the summer. It's so much fun. All my weekends are so packed. I'm so excited to show you all everything that I do. So I just got home from work. I got off at 3 o'clock, which is so great. Not all of my roommates are off yet though, so I'm just kind of chilling, editing a video, about to upload that. So that's my morning routine. You are about to see that, so I'll put it in the description. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't yet already. But yeah, oh my gosh, I am literally so pale right now. But I guess I haven't really shown you all my room. It's kind of a mess right now, but I'll just like give you all like a little overview. I'm living in the NYU dorms, which is super fun. Okay, so you like walk in, the door's right here. Here's me just chilling, looking a little ratch. Just had work all day, but then you turn and this is my side of the room. I literally am in love with my little corner. I obviously have not like decorated it in the slightest. Ew. Also, side note, I just had to take off all of my acrylics, so please excuse my like literally disgusting hands right now. I like, ugh, I just like, I can't even look at it, but I'm definitely going to get my nails done this weekend, so stay tuned as I like point around with my fingers. But anyway, so I have my desk right here and I'm not like taking any classes obviously, even though I'm in a dorm, so I just like use this desk as like a you know, shoe storage, and it's like kind of grosses me out a little bit. Like I kind of wanted to get bins, but then I'm like, I'm only here for 10 weeks, so we're just dealing with that right now. But then my desk, obviously it's a mess because I don't know, I was like in a rush to work this morning, but got a cute little picture of me and my boyfriend John right there. Polaroid camera that I want to take pictures on and like put them up here on the wall or something, but like I also want to have them in like my apartment back at school, so stay tuned to see what we do with that. But you know, we're just a mess, I'm sorry. But then this is my bed, which I literally love because if you look from my bed, I have the most beautiful view in the world. I don't really like that this, okay, sorry, I was not ready for a room tour but like I literally have the most beautiful view to wake up to, and there's 2 windows here and then 2 big windows here, but I have them shut right now. I always leave that one open so that when I wake up, like I just like look out into the city. Anyways, so like I said, it's 3 o'clock, so I'm kind of thinking, I like for some reason am like really craving like juice, you know, like a juice bar or something, like something just like really healthy. I'm just craving it for some odd reason. So I looked it up and there's one like 10 blocks away from me, and the weather's so nice, and I have nothing else to do but like lay in bed, and I've been sitting in an office all day. So I was thinking that I was just gonna like take a walk and go get some juice. Look at this. This is literally the sweetest thing in the world. John just sent me flowers to my apartment. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. I was like literally so surprised. I did not expect it at all. And it came with like this little note, and it came in like this huge box. I was so confused, but they are so pretty. I'm literally, guys, I'm crying. Look how pretty this sunset is from our room right now. I want to like put my camera out the window, but I'm honestly terrified. Okay, I'm doing it. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Brenna, do you want a minute? She comes around. Corey's like, no, can I have another fry?
Yes, you can.
We're ordered 5 guys. So good. We're going out tonight, contrary to how we look. Where are we going?
Refinery Rooftop.
Refinery Rooftop with 2 other reps. So that's super fun. Look how pretty it looks behind us. Okay, so we are about to go out. We're going to a rooftop. I already said that before, but super fun. Look how cute.
Top courtesy of Julia.
Top courtesy of me. wearing the same exact shirt I was wearing yesterday in this vlog. That's embarrassing. It's the next day right now. We're going to get brunch at this place. I can never remember the places that we're going. Where are we going?
Jack's wife Frida.
Jack's wife Frida. It's like West Village, I think. So that's fun. I'm wearing the same shirt I wore yesterday. I feel like wore it only for like an hour though, so it's like it's fine, right? We're in West Village right now. We're so happy because we're in West Village and it's like actually so quiet and calm. You can actually hear the birds chirping, which is like so nice. But like this area is just so beautiful. Like it looks really cute, like pink and blue. Oh, that's cute. Tea, coffee, dessert, and love. Cute. Yeah. Now we're just here. Give me the purses. We're taking cute pics in front of this. So we just ate and now we're walking around, just going, trying to find places to take pictures. We're in such a cute little
No, I don't like that one at all.
There's such cute places around here though.
We're so far apart, we look awkward.
I really want to go to Blue Stone Coffee. Super artsy.
Yeah, you're right, they were out.
So cute. Oh my. Guys, we need to go here next. In the thrift store right now, just looking around. They have such cool pieces of clothing in here. Look at this. But like honestly, it's kind of really expensive. I don't really know. So we just went into the thrift store, but like it was not like a normal thrift store. I don't know if it's just because we're like in New York, but everything was like, there were tops for like $45, which like if I wanted to spend $45 on a top, I would definitely just go to like an actual store. Okay, what is happening? We went to Brandy Melville. I bought 2 skirts, which I really regret doing, but it's fine. But we literally took the subway down and now we're walking back. So we walked like, I've definitely walked like 3 miles today. We literally walked home from where we got brunch and we went shopping a little bit. We walked home like 2 miles. So I came home and I literally just fell asleep, took a nap. I bought this skirt from Brandy Melville though. And it is so freaking tight, but I love it. And I love my outfit, so. We are going out in the NYU area, so hopefully to find some younger crowds. Happy Sunday. It honestly has been such a lazy day today. Like literally haven't done anything besides sit in my bed all day and just relax. But honestly, I needed it. But now I'm gonna head to the gym, and then I was looking and there's this like really good juice place right by it, so I think that I'm gonna hit that up afterwards because I just have really been like, I know it's expensive, but I've really been digging juice lately because I don't get a lot of vegetables here. So I just got back from the gym and I went to this super cool like juice press place. Honestly, I feel so healthy right now. I walked literally 2 miles and then drank this. So unfortunately it started raining out, which is so annoying and it's so gross outside, but that is pretty much a week in my life. Sunday is pretty much just a chill day, me just relaxing, getting ready for work for the next day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm planning on doing a lot of these, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll talk to you all next time.